How to download the Crew Motorfest on PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To get yourself your very own Crew Motorfest, launch your Steam in your device. In here at the very top you will see a search bar. In the search bar you need to type in the keyword Crew Motorfest. So go ahead and type in. Select on the edition that you want to purchase and download for your PC. Now to experience your Crew Motorfest land firstly, you need to select on the Add to Cart option. Here are some of the editions from Deluxe, Gold, Ultimate and more. Just tap on Add to Cart of the edition that you prefer. Then select on View My Cart. Remove any of the pending ones, then select on Continue to Payment. Tap on your payment method. Enter your card number, expiration date and your security code. Enter your billing information as well. Then tap on the Continue button. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.